Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D array on Desmos. First of all, you can write down L for list. You can say L is equal to X, Y, Z. For X is 0 to 2, Y is 0 to 2, Z is 0 to 2. Okay, now this array is going to have 3 times 3 times 3 elements. That's equal to 27. The L.x part of the sequence will go 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, up to 27 elements. Now this corresponds to Z is equal to 0. That's the plane Z is equal to 0. This is Z is equal to 1. This is Z is equal to 2. Z is obviously the height of that array. Okay, now the L.y part of the sequence will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, up to 27 elements as well. And L.z is going to go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's a 0 9 times. And that repeats for 1 and 2 over here, up to 27 elements. Now these parts combined form this array over here. Like I said, this is plane 0, this is plane 1, this is plane 2. Now the first element will correspond to 0, 0, 0. That's the coordinate 0, 0, 0. The second element will correspond to 1, 0, 0. So this is how to create a 3D array on Desmos. If you want to change these integers over here, you can. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps.